Good afternoon, all of you. Now, exercise 5.1 today. Question number 1. This is of type 1 only, which we have discussed yesterday. Function is given 5 fx equal to 5x minus 3. You have to check the continuity of this function at 3 points 0, minus 3, and 5. So, first I will check at 0. So, continuity at x equal to 0, first part. LHL at 0. For LHL at 0, formula is limit h tending to 0. Formula was actually a minus h, but in place of a, what we have? 0. So, 0 minus h. So put 0 minus h here. 5 times of 0 minus h, minus 3. Apply the limit, answer will come minus 3. If you put h as 0, answer, this term will become 0, answer is minus 3. Similarly, RHL, for RHL it will be 0 plus h. Put 0 plus h here. 5 times of 0 plus h, minus 3. Again, if you put h equal to 0, answer will be minus 3. Now we'll find out the value of exactly at 0. F of 0. F of 0 will be 0 minus 3. Again, it will be minus 3. So we have seen that LHL, RHL and F0 all are equal. So function is continuous at x equal to 0. Similarly, for minus 3, LHL will be f of minus 3 minus h. So put in place of x minus 3 minus h. 5 times of minus 3 minus h, minus 3. On putting h equal to 0, you will get minus 18. For RHL, it will be minus 3 plus h. 5 times of minus 3 plus h, minus 3. Again, when you put h as 0, again the answer will be minus 18. Now exactly at minus 3, put f of minus 3. F of minus 3 is again minus 18. So again the function is continuous at x equal to minus 3. Similarly, you can do for 5 also. 5 minus h, 5 plus h and f of 5 all will come equal. Now remember one thing, this is a polynomial function. So all polynomials are continuous throughout their domain. Throughout their domain means wherever they are defined, they will be continuous. So remember, all the polynomial functions are continuous throughout their domain. That means wherever they are defined, in whatever set they are defined, they will be continuous everywhere. Now based on this, we have now moving on to question number 3. Second, you will do yourself. Function is given x square minus 25 upon x plus 5, x not equal to minus 5. This is called the domain. So what is the domain of this function? All real number except minus 5, because on putting minus 5 you will get 0 in the denominator. You have to check whether this function is continuous or not. So first I will factorize it. X plus 5 will cancel out. So what we are getting again? X minus 5, which is a polynomial. And you know every polynomial is continuous throughout its domain. So we can say that this function is also continuous throughout its domain. So what is the domain? R minus minus 5. So you will write it will be continuous throughout its domain, that is R minus minus 5. So this function will be continuous in R minus minus 5. Similarly, third question, D part, function is fx equal to mod of x minus 5. Now what is the domain of modulus function? Set of all real numbers, because there is no value for which the function is not defined. So remember one thing, that every modulus function is also continuous. So we can say that this function is also continuous throughout its domain, that is it will be continuous in all real number, because the domain of this function is R. Then moving on to question number 6, we have to actually find the point of discontinuity of this function. So for these type of question, we have to see here function, how it is defined, what is the turning point. When x is greater than 2, function is this, but when it's 2 or more than 2, the value changes. So this is the turning point where the value is changing. So we'll check the continuity at this turning point only, that is at 2 we'll check. So first I'll write the continuity at 2, LHL at 2 means value which are less than 2. So less than 2, for left hand limit you will take this function. So left hand limit is f of 2 minus h, so put 2 minus h here. 2 of 2 minus h plus 3, answer will come 7. For RHL you will take the value here. RHL is actually 2 plus h. So put 2 plus h here. 2 times of 2 plus h, minus 3. RHL is 1. So both are unequal. LHL not equal to RHL. So we can say x equal to 2 is the only point of discontinuity. Then moving on to question number 7, it is mod x plus 3 minus 2x and 6x plus 2, and these are the values. Now remember, here it is mod. So mod is defined, mod has two values, plus x and minus x. Plus x when the value is greater than 0, that means for पॉजिटिव वैल्यू के लिए mod की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव होगी, और अगर x नेगेटिव है तो माइनस टाइम्स ऑफ x. फर्स्ट विल चेक द कंटिन्यूटी एट -3. तो -3 कैसा नंबर है? लेस देन 0. -3 इज लेस देन 0, तो मॉड की वैल्यू हम क्या लेंगे, -x लेंगे. So when you check the continuity at -3, I will take the value as -x. -3 formula is -3 minus h. So in place of x, what I will write? -3 minus h plus 3. When you put h equal to 0, answer will come 6. For RHL, -3 plus h. Again, you will take -x only because -3 is less than 0. So minus times of -3 plus h plus 3. Again, the answer is 6. So the function is continuous at x equal to -3. Now we'll check at 3. For left hand limit, that is 3 minus h. So for 3 minus h, value less than 3. Less than 3 is how much? -2x. So in place of x, I will write 3 minus h. -2x was the function, so -2. In place of x, what I will write? 3 minus h. So on putting, answer is coming -6. Now RHL is 3 plus h. 3 plus h. 3 plus h, that means when the value is greater than 3, it is 6x plus 2. So it will be 6x. In place of x, what will come? 3 plus h plus 2. So answer is 20, and here the answer is -6. So the function is discontinuous at x equal to -3.